Today, I visited one of the three flyover bridges and road expansion sites awarded by the Delta State government to Julius Berger Limited, guys. I know a lot of people might be wondering, is this working? Are there people on the site? Oh yes, guys, the work is in progress. Work is in progress, guys, and there are people on the sites. Now let's go and let me show you around what is happening in this particular site right now. Currently, this site is located at PTI Junction, Effurun, Warri City. This contract is worth over 78 billion naira under the executive governor of Delta State, Governor Sherrif Ovboriwori, and it was awarded to Julius Berger Limited on the 18th October 2023, and the contract was meant to last for 30 months. The aim of this contract is to construct flyovers, cloverleaf, and road expansion projects in Effurun and Warri metropolis of the state. Julius Berger has an excellent record and experience in road construction, and this is the first time the Delta State is engaging Julius Berger for construction on projects. Though Julius Berger did MPA in Warri, but it was awarded by the federal government. Though the contract was awarded last year, October 2023, and Julius Berger started work here, they kicked off the work in January 2024, and this work is going to last for 30 months, like I said before, and it was aimed at solving the gridlock of often experienced in the twin cities. There would be 3 flyover bridge assigned in the contract, one at NRA Junction to Marine Gates and one at PTI Junction, and right now I'm at the PTI Junction site, and DSC roundabout along Effurun, Patani, Eastway Highway, Effurun in Uwe local government area. To kick off the contract, it was also on the news that the contract was worth 78 billion, while the state government would make 25% advance payments of 19.5 billion naira, with the balance paid through an ISPO for 30 good months. A lot of people are going to benefit from these road and flyover construction projects. Example, employment benefits, especially for engineers, artisans, and even food vendors, transporters, and so many benefits. You understand? So this is a very good, commendable project by the Delta State government, and the work is in progress, guys. So let me take you through as you see what is going on here. The pillars are being mounted, and I know that this is rainy season, though it might be affecting them a bit.
This one is for motor now. Eh? No, this one is for car. Eh? This one go quick spoil. You get what I buy, eh? I don't even use and sell. Now the thing just. It's anything.
I say get many times, not this time.
This one is for car. This one will fit hold anything, sef. Eh?
Due to the construction of this road, people will also experience some hold up, but it's better for me to experience hold up right now, and in future I'll be fine. And this road is going to help people coming from the east, from Lagos, from the north, all parts of people coming into Warri, because you must pass DSC. DSC roundabout is a very popular place that you must actually pass if you are entering Warri from any of these states that I'm mentioning. People coming from Asaba, people coming from the Port Harcourt, Lagos, and all of that are going to experience good roads. So we expect that at least by in 27 months, this particular project is going to be completed. I know that, sure. So I also want to use this opportunity to thank the government, Delta State government, and the executive governor of Delta State for executing this kind of projects. And may God reward them and give them more initiatives also to make Delta people happy. And also may this project be completed. I know Julius Berger now, so there are other projects. This is just the first stage of this particular project. So as you can see, they are setting up the pillars that will be able to carry the bridges. So see it, look at them on the site, their work equipment, everything is on set in this particular site, and they are very, very good. They are good, guys. Now let's go and have a look at what is happening around. I'm going to take you around this beach from PTI Junction to VSC roundabout, guys. Let's go, guys.
ebyslady.